how to fix Emirates NBD app not working. So if the Emirates NBD or rather ENBD X app isn't working, there could be various underlying issues with this. The first thing you want to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa. If you're using the ENBD app on Android, long press the app icon, then tap on this I button that says app info. This setting will actually be found on almost every Android device, because it is a native feature. Once you're here, go to the option called storage usage, where you can clear the cache files and also clear the data, which will log you out of your account if you're logged in and you have to re-register again. So if you're using the old Emirates NBD app, that's not the case anymore. You have to download this new app called ENBD X app, which is the official mobile banking app. Go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the ENBD X application and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.